Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas 2024. Look like finally the year is closely coming to an end. Decorate the living room with us. This time I have my son with me. I've been waiting so long for this, so many Christmas I've spent in the UK hoping to have my son with me. Finally I do have him, so we are going to do a bit of this video together, because he really doesn't like this kind of like cleaning and stuff as women do and all that. Anyway, so I changed my rug in the living room to a different one, which was quite bigger and much nicer than the other one I had. I sent that upstairs, and this one is left back in the living room. From the very last video I posted, you will realize that I decorated the side of my TV where I painted everything to black. These days I love the black color, so just keeping that for now in case I don't like it. I can always change it, as I said in the previous video. So I cleaned everything and brought the center kind of coffee table back, and I've decorated it for the Christmas. I'm keeping everything simple this time because I don't have a big table and we are going to be using it for drinks and all that. So this olive tree I bought from Amazon, which I was hoping to use to decorate for that side, that is going to be left all season after the Christmas. So now I'm moving that, sending it to the other left side of the TV where there is more space, and I'm going to put the tree up. But first of all, I got this garland from Temu, 2 of them, which I'm going to use to decorate. See the back of the TV, what I mean by it looks prettier than it was as I've painted it black. So I'm using this sticky kind of thing I bought from it's like using to hold wire. I bought from Temu. All of this decorative stuff are from Temu. I'm using it to hold the garland onto the unit, so that it will be like smooth, and so I can put a bit more decoration and stuff on it. So that's how it looks now. So this kind of a drawer that is there, I DIYed this long time ago, and it's still looking white. I wanted to paint it black, but I think I'll leave it maybe that same color for now. And so this is the stockings that I bought, going to put kind of fillers and things inside for the Christmas. My husband and I told my son that Santa will come and put gifts inside for him in the morning. Although he's 14, he still believes those things. This is his first Christmas, so anything that we tell him at the moment he believes it. Let's wait until next year and see if he'll believe us again. So I bought this very cheap from eBay, and then I added stickers onto it, which I made them like wrote our name and then they printed it off. So also I got this candle holder off eBay, and I had those candles from last year. I also bought these 3 pillar candles from one of the garden centers. So this is how our garland and our kind of that area look. It looks really pretty for me, really. This is my first time ever making such a garland or something like that, so I think I really like it. I like how the living room is turning already. I think even after Christmas I'm going to decorate this part like with something else, even if it's not a garland, something that will make the living room always look glowy and stand up very good, simple looking. So as that is almost done, I'm going to bring out the tree with my son. This is his first time. He looked so happy and it's so excited to be putting up the tree with me. Yeah, I know decoration is sometimes boring. This is not the kind of thing for boys or men to be doing. So anyway, he just did some bit of it and then decided to go, but he kept coming in and out of it. And anyway, so I just we put the tree all together, and you have to fluff it up. This was the tree I bought for last year. I think next year I'll change it because I'll get it like a better looking tray yeah, for the next Christmas. So just putting this one all together, because you have to fluff it a lot. Like it takes quite a lot to do this, so that's why I think I'll get rid of it's like a long work to do anyway. So almost done with the tree. I got some lights that I'm going to put on. This little light was from last year, which I'm putting in the tree first. I got a good kind of like light which I'm going to put on this time. So yeah, I also bought this ribbon thing from Temu, which I'm also going to add on to it. I'm going to make my own kind of tiny ribbons, so this time I decided to go for ribbons. So this is how the lights look. Last year I wrapped the lights around like just round about, but this time I'm putting it all like long tall, because it's a very very big like very long, so it's going to fill up the whole tree, like making it all glowy and nice. So that is a really good thing to know. Yeah, so almost done with the kind of putting on the light onto the tree. Just going to finish everything before I put the light on. I know it looks so bare now, it looks like not really good looking. So this is how the ribbon thing look. They are quite really tiny, but when I finish they look really cute on the tree, and I think I like it. Maybe next year I can go for some ribbon again, but maybe bigger size. Look like everyone is taking the whole Christmas thing so seriously. It's like, come on, I went to the shop and it's like so busy, very full, all the car parks, you can't even get a car space. It's like, what is going on? As if like that is the end of the world or something. It's so strange and surprising anyway. So almost done with this, and that television is the best thing I've ever bought for my for as a gift. That was last year before Christmas, just I think a month before Christmas I bought this last year. It's so good, because when you come from work you're so so tired, all the hard work, you chill in the sofa, you have a hot drink, and then you be watching the big screen. You feel like you're in the cinema. So yeah, that's one of the biggest gifts, and I'm sure I really am enjoying it. Anyway, so continuing with the decoration, almost done with putting the bits and things on it. I put the tree into the corner, and the door into the cupboard there, I'm not going to have like use anything in there. So this is where I put the tree last year, and I'm putting it there again. Finished with that, I'm going to put the lantern there. I had this lantern from, I think, Vinted long time ago, which I used to decorate my outdoor garden and all that. Anyway, now putting the bit of decors in my little unit which I have in the living room. Just simple stuff there. I don't like to clamp the whole room up. So just almost done with that, and just going to clean the sofas to making everywhere clean and cozy and comfortable. I have a lot of comfy and very warm throws I'm going to put in there. I love to clean my sofas, especially when you sit inside and you smell that fresh smell of a sofa. Anyway, so just this is having cleaning it, and the hand of the right side is a bit dirty because like we always sit there, drink and all that, so it's dirty. That's why I'm double cleaning it. And one good thing about this sofa is that it's come out so nice and clean. So yeah, I'm so happy with that. Almost done with this. I'm just bringing the little cushions back into the chair. These cushions are designed to make your back arch and like more comfortable. That's why I decided to be using these kind of small cushions. Almost done with that. I'm also going to put in my big blanket into the chair, which that is what I'm going to use. That is where I normally sit. That is my favorite place that I always sit. And so when I sit in there, I use that comfy cover on myself. Imagine just putting yourself into that corner and watching the TV and all that. This season I just want to relax in my brain so much and chill. I am even going to work on Christmas Day, which is tomorrow. This is Christmas Eve. I've recorded this very late, as I said it. Sorry, I mean like edited it very late. So this is how everything came out. So almost done. I'm going to put all the gifts. I wrap a lot of gifts, my sisters and all that. I'm going to send some of them away, which I'm going to put all under the tree at the moment because I did not have time to go and send them off. So just wrapping everything else and put under there. Most of the things that we bought are still in the boxes, and we've not opened or even tried to see what they are, like how they are, if they are good or not. So I'm just wrapping everything together anyway, and when it's time and everybody open their gifts and all that, if something is not working, a lot of electronics and stuff, you just maybe return it and all that. So that's almost done anyway. So just going to put all the gifts according to how some of them are going to go, and those that are staying, some of the big boxes are staying, and the bits of the ones in the back and all that are going to my sisters. So almost done. Most of the big boxes are for my son. He's requested for some gifts for this Christmas, and I'm not going to tell him what is inside anyway, so until he opens it. Anyway, those 3 stockings hanging there, as we said, tonight, which is Christmas Eve, we are going to put some bit of gift and things inside. As we told my son, Santa is going to put gifts inside. Well, I know he know that we are just messing about and all that. He doesn't believe those things anyway. So just almost done with everything else, and then going to show you how it all looks. So this is the side of the living room where we see it, and as I turn around, this is how the frontal side look, and I like the way it came out, so gorgeous looking. Anyway, we're going to fill up our socks, as I said, and then also when we go to this side, I put the candle on. I think the first one I did not put it on, but now I put it on and it looks so nice. This is also from the other angle. This is how the light looks, so gorgeous when you are standing in the windows and you look at it. It looks like so perfect. Anyway, so this is kind of the best so far Christmas decorations I think I've put together, and I think I'm in love with how it came out. And all the these candles, you can choose to put them on, but I'm not going to put them on just in case don't cause any fire or anything. Anyway, so this is how they all looks. And anyway, what do you think about our 2024 Christmas decorations? How cozy is it? And anyway, thank you so much for enjoying this video and joining me, and I wish you a merry Christmas 2024, and I'll see you in 2025. Hopefully I'll get a lot of time and schedule content to come. Thank you. Bye.